Hey Bottom Bears, I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm back with another healthy at home activity for you to try. This is going to be one that definitely challenges your creativity. This one is called Sensory Pathway. So, what I want you to do is take a look. I'm going to show you exactly what I've done. I took the time to create a pathway for you to work on your motor skills. And this is definitely something that you can use, you can create at home. If you have a sidewalk that's near you, you can definitely do this. If you don't have any chalk, that's okay. At the end of the video, I'll make a recommendation on what else you can do to create your own sensory pathway. Now, let me show you what I've done.
Sensory pathways are a creative movement course that challenge your motor skills such as balance, can develop your muscles, or allow you to improve your spatial awareness while also connecting the areas of the brain that are responsible for the five senses. Now, as you look, you'll notice that I used variations in my path. They can be spirals, straight, or curved zigzag. And as you create yours, you can decide what movement you want to connect to what pathway. You can even see that I incorporated letters, and you are more than welcome to even try to utilize numbers to improve your numbers. And counting, you can improve your recognition of numbers. You can use lowercase letters as well. This definitely improves reading ability. Definitely use a variation and combinations of your skills. It's all about you being creative, definitely about you being outside, being active, and using the skills that we've been working on over the last several months. So you decide how you want to do it and then get to work. Similar to an obstacle course, feel free to use your environment, anything that's around you, rocks, sticks, bottles, things that you may have at home. Try to use those things to create your pathway. It doesn't have to be super fancy. It doesn't have to take a lot of money. Like I said, use your creativity, use the things around you. Try to make it happen. Don't forget, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time.